Hi guys, in this video I will be welding aluminum with a MIG welder. I will not be changing the wire, I will not be changing the gas to argon. I just want to test how strong these welds will be. At the end of the video, we will break this and see how much effort it takes. We will split this part into two halves. With a regular disc, I use clamps to keep the workpiece still. The saw runs like clockwork, very well, and there are no sparks flying from the metal. But fine dust flies, it is very dangerous. It's an old tractor part. I picked it up at the farm specifically for this video. It's very porous aluminum, it's very fragile. These clamps have helped me out many times. They are like extra hands for me. This is thick aluminum, guys. I can't wait to weld it. I will clean it with a wire brush. The welds should lie on clean metal. I like to clean metal. I like to watch it get shiny. I like to clean metal with sand. It turns out very quickly. Great, everything is shiny and ready to weld. I open and adjust the gas supply to the welding torch. I give a little more pressure because it is windy outside today. Nice sound. I hear the crunch of metal. The welding is working perfectly. First we will connect the parts together and then weld completely. Well guys, the welding is completely ready. It's time to conduct an experiment and see how strong it is. Oh no, she broke so quickly. As we can see, it's no good. You can even break it with your hands. I think we'll throw it in the trash and forget about it, guys. Please write in the comments if you already know how to weld aluminum with this type of welding. I'll be interested to read about it.